Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable and customize Always On display on the VIVO V70. So Always On display is a feature that allows the screen of your phone to basically be always on. So it looks something like this, where the screen is disabled, the phone is turned off, but there is a little part of the screen that is on. You can enable it with a tap if it's turned off. And it's just a black screen. It's pretty dim, and you have the time, the battery, and other things that you can add to the screen. Now, if you're worried about the battery, like the screen is always on, might be draining a lot of battery, it doesn't drain too much, because what it does is it changes the refresh rate of the screen to 1 Hz, which means that instead of updating 60 times per second, it updates 1 time per second. And it also utilizes black pixels, which on OLED screens means that the pixels are turned off, which means that they're not consuming power. And that pretty much doesn't consume as much power as you'd think. So let's go through the setup process. So to enable this feature, we need to go to Settings. And then from the main Settings menu, we need to go to Home Screen, Lock Screen, and Wallpaper. Tap on Always On Display. And then we're going to enable Always On Display right here. So this little toggle, make sure it's enabled if you want this option to be on. And then we can customize this thing by either tapping on AOD settings to, for example, enable or disable it. We can enable notifications on the Always On display, and we can change the overall look of it. So we can choose all of these different styles, all these different options, and just select the one that you like. For example, let's go with this one, and you can download it. And once it's downloaded, you can change other things in it, like fonts, the font thickness, and the colors. So here, as you can see, there's different colors, and once you're done, you can click the check mark on the top right, and it's going to be applied. So now let's turn off the Always On display, or turn off the screen. And here, as you can see, this is what the Always On display looks like. So right now it's frozen, and the only thing that is on is this part of the screen. And that is pretty much it. So now if you want to turn it off, the Always On display feature, you need to come back to this toggle and just disable it. And now if we turn it off, as you can see, there's no screen now, only the one that pops up when you actually turn on your phone. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.